Today's video is regarding Canon Pixma TS3400 series printer. I'm going to show you about the error code which comes here. As you can see, there is a orange light on the screen here. This is the warning light. Also, you will see on the display panel it shows up error 02 here, and this error occurs when I was trying to do the copy, or it can happen if you are doing the printing, and this is commonly with the paper. So here you will see the paper actually has stuck here, and it could be stuck here, or it could be like the machine is not able to take the paper in because of any problem. So we'll try to take it out and we'll see. Here we can see the paper is actually in a bad condition. That's why the printer was showing the error. Now go to the display screen again, and here we have to simply press the stop button once we take the paper out, and it should be able to sort out the problem. Yeah, so it is okay now. So this way we can fix this error code. Thanks for watching.